in 2017 in Gabon. They went out, though, in the round of 16 to Nigeria 3 years ago. The Super Eagles are already home after they were beaten in the knockout stages. Cameroun, they don't fall to what would be an absolutely monumental shock. It would have been a huge surprise had COMOROS beaten Cameroun, even with a full-strength side. However, the island minnows are popped out as well. They've got one first-team regular who's got food poisoning, and just for a bad measure, he is suspended. The influential forward picked up a second yellow card of the group. A party atmosphere, as you can see, already in January. Was not quite under strength, but certainly his second string. Jean-Charles Castelletto replaces Harold Makudi in goal this evening for this COVID-19 decimated COMOROS. Right back goes for goal, in fact, and Onana spilled it. Here's Yusuf again. Does seem to make a first attempt with the right foot to try and play it, but I can't see why. He makes and you can see why he tries to play there with the left, but what is he doing there? Looks for this free kick. It's played all 3 games up till today. An opportunity to open the scoring. Chance here, maybe a shot, and didn't take. Gonna get there, maybe. A normal Money with the shot. Oh, what a play from Anan, and still not away. And great hit from Money. Follow up. Kick that one away as well. Unity. It's off the wall. It's deflected. More defending to do here. Lovely ball in. Danger here. Wait. It's behind. Chance for a second. Aladoua makes the save. He had to rush out now, Abdullah. Benjalud Yusuf breaking into Tokuwa can be played across to Abubakar. Yep. Had to be. Sikog here trying to weave his way through. Good close control though. Through. Chance from Changama. Round, they've got a chance here. Abubakar. 5 days time. Lovely run from who usually plays out for Changama. Goes for goal! Oh, strike from Yusuf Changama. Look at Onana. He tried. He really did try. And he's fairy tale performance.